Konke ngeqayo yini siba likhona?
Eweqayo. Ukhuluma ngani?
Since kulahle kunomfundo angikutholi kahle.
Awungitholi kahle kanjani?
Khathaze ukudlula thina sonke. Angazi khona nje into engayithola angazi. Kwenzakalani?
Yazi sithanda sama ixoxela indaba yazi.
Angifuni ngixoxele indaba. Ngitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hi bo guys, kanti amadoda anjani? Imagine stressing to a point. Hey bo, stressing to a point where you can't sleep at night ngenxa ye side chick, you guys. But let's face it guys, uNomfundo was not just a side chick, she was more than a side chick. Mind you, these two people have a kid together, and listen, finally, the story comes out to Phetheni finds out ukuthi indoda yakhe, her family is not as perfect as she thought it was. Indoda yakhe inengane ngaphandle, out of the marriage. Now guys, as you've seen from that mini clip, uPhetheni is asking Munjengayo ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani, like what's going on? Ever since uNomfundo went missing, when are you going crazy, like nje kahle kahle, like uhlangahlangene yini, ithini indaba yakho bhuti? And then he comes up with this story, you guys, that the reason why Nomfundo going missing is touching him so much is because he once had a friend, and him and his friend went to the river. They went to fish, or they went fishing at the river, and it was getting late and the water just kept getting deeper. And what happened is that his friend slipped on a rock and he fell into the river, you guys. And basically he says that when the friend fell into the river, the friend has never been found. The body or the friend has never been found till today. So that's what traumatizes him. So obviously Megat Abang Nomfundo and the friend, it's a similar thing. So that's why he's saying it touches him so much. Why have you never told me about this? And he says that no, this is a sensitive thing that he has actually tried to get over. Chiki guys, next scene we see uNjengaye sekathatha isithombe sikaNomfundo. He's putting it at a living room. He's putting up candles. Hayibo uNjengaye uzimisele nje, he wants isithanda sakhe ukuthi sithonwe like ASAP. He's putting up candles there guys, ning. He's like makuthandazeni, like let's pray, like yay. uNjengaye doesn't know what to do with himself at this point. Mina sengicabanga ukuthi when uNomfundo comes back uzomshada straight, because the way, like I mean, like I don't see it not happening, because the way he's like, I don't know, maybe he's realizing how much he loves uNomfundo. And then police come in, you guys, and police have brought uNomfundo's apron. They said that they found this apron floating in the sea. So it was found floating in the sea, but guys, now I have a feeling that Usis Nomfundo, someone did something to her. There in the Dlamini household, I'm just like, yeah, Soluti, someone did, like, guys, that she just goes missing. Nje kanjalo. Then we see a scene, you guys. We see taxi associations or taxi guys, baphethe isagila, and they're like, yeah, yazi abakwaDlamini bayasijwayela. We need to teach them a lesson. And I'm like, hey, but what's going on? Next thing, these guys, these taxi association guys, they look like taxi drivers. They are at the Dlamini household by the gate, making noise. Namategisi wabo, basically wanting uMagada ukuthi avule igate because they want to enter. Then uPhetheni can hear the noise. Everyone above Vusi, everyone's hearing the noise, but yebo kwenzakalani. They tell uNjengayo to go outside and check out like what's happening. When Njengayo goes out, he sees abomalume, they're outside, only to find out that these taxi guys, they are Nomfundo's brothers / uncle's family. And what are they doing? They have brought they have brought Unjengaye's son, Utemba. I am surprised get Utemba. Utemba looks like a grown guy here in this episode, you guys. Oda tina cycling Utemba eyingan. That time uNomalanga's pregnancy is still standing in one place, yet Utemba seke khulile. Anyway, batshala Utemba ukuthi yehle emotweni. Then bamtsheleke Unjengaye ukuthi size ngawe la sakutshena, we told you that we need you. We told you that we need you to be part of this child's life. Ayeke Unjengaye abavulele, they wanna come in. When they come in, uPhetheni, she's standing nowhere. Where uPhetheni is so surprised ukuthi what's happening. Mind you, these guys baphethe isagila guys. They are like they are Zulu guys. Like looking like Zulu taxi drivers. So she's afraid, she's scared for herself. And then this guy goes on like he doesn't introduce nothing. He just lays indaba flat on the table and says, yeah, when Unjengaye, you came and you promised my sister Izulu Nomhlaba. You came to us and you said you loved my sister. Wamthembisa Izulu Nomhlaba. After that, Wamitisa. After that, Wamenza. You wamkasha and made her a cleaner in your house. That time uPhetheni akazi ukuthi mayike, like she doesn't know what she must do. She's looking so surprised. She's not here. She's not believing her ears. That time bakhomba uThemba bathi uNjengaye ingane yakho le angithi. Unjengaye is also like the way everything happens so fast, you guys. I hope ukuthi uPhetheni caught on ukuthi bakhuluma ngoNomfundo. Angazi ke if the brothers know ukuthi Nomfundo is missing. I don't know if uThemba knows ukuthi his mother is missing, but uPhetheni, guys, they did not alert her, they did not prepare her. Everything was laid nje kanjalo. That time where is there, guys? And that's how the episode ended. Everyone is like, uPhetheni deserves what came to her because the way she treated Usmongile, you guys, I am curious to find out how she's going to deal with this because she acted like her whole family is perfect. She tries and shield it. So let's see how she deals with this whole thing. Obviously, Unjengaye, there's no denying anything right now because I mean, how is he going to deny everything in front of these men? Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this episode. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.